Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Little Kippers Goes Online. My name's Polly. It's brilliant to see all of you, but who's missing? Yes, that's right, King Kipper. And he's fast asleep in his basket. So I'm going to need your help to see if we can wake him up. So shall we sing our hello song and see if we can wake King Kipper up? So the actions, remember, you have to sit up really tall. Who's the tallest? And then you have to give me a big wave. And then the noisy bit, a great big cheer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Oh, that was pretty good. I think we're going to be able to wake him up. Shall we have a go? Hello everyone, it's good to see you here. Sit up, give me a wave. And then a great big cheer. Yay! Well done, everybody. That was pretty good. Let's have a look and see. Uh-oh. Oh dear. He sounds quite sleepy to me. Do you think that this time, if we try again, you could be just a little bit louder? Do you think so? Okay, let's give it a try. Are you ready? Hello everyone, it's good to see you here. Sit up, give me a wave, and then a great big cheer. Yay! Oh, that was really good. Well done. Let's have a look and see. Oh, look everybody. You've done it, you've woken King Kipper up. Here he is. Brilliant. Hello everybody. Give King Kipper a big wave to say hello. Oh, it's brilliant to see you all. And I'm going to put King Kipper here. And shall we have a look and see what's in King Kipper's basket today? Oh, well, there is something interesting in here. Would you like to see? Okay. Well, there you are, look. Well, that's a funny looking thing, isn't it? Look, it's got some strings, so it sort of hangs up, and then it's got this circle here. Can you see that circle shape? It's stripy, isn't it? What colours can you see? Yeah, that's right, red and white stripes. And then hanging from the bottom, well, that looks like a pair of pants to me. Oh. Well, that's a very strange looking thing. I wonder what it could be for. Oh dear. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll let you into a secret. This actually is only a very small version of the actual thing. The actual thing is quite big. Would you like to see the actual thing? Yeah, well, it's down here. So let me put this little one down. Here is the real one. Oh, look at that! It's enormous. Yeah. Well, I am still here, but look. Can you see? It's got the strings, like on the little one, and it's got the circle. It's not red and white stripes, but it is the circle. Look, and then hanging from underneath that, look, a pair of giant pants. Oh, wow. Oh, that's very strange, isn't it? Here you are, look. What on earth do you think that could be for? I mean, why do you need a pair of giant pants hanging from strings on a ring? Very strange. Shall I have a look in King Kipper's basket and see if he's got a clue for us? Yeah, okay. Oh, here we are. Oh, look. Now, I think that this man might be a sailor. He's got his sailor's trousers on, look. And this jumper that he's wearing is a very special type of jumper called a gansey. It keeps you warm, especially if you're a fisherman out at sea. So I think that this man might work on a ship. How is he a clue for what this is? Hey, do you think he might fit in there? Do you think he might fit in those pants? Shall we have a go and see? Okay, here we are. Ooh, his feet have got stuck. Oh, no, there we go, look. Aha. He does, look at that. Oh, well, I'm afraid that really doesn't help as to what this is. I mean, why would he want to be hanging in those pants? It's very strange, isn't it? I'll tell you what, I do actually have another clue. But it's not in King Kipper's basket. It's here. Yes. Now, do you know what that is? Yes, that's right. It's called a life ring, and you quite often find it near to water. So if you're walking down by the river or the beach, this one's from the beach, and life rings float. So if you saw somebody in trouble in the water, you would be able to throw them the life ring and it would help them to safety. Now, this has got something a bit like that on the top, hasn't it, here? Which the pants are attached to. But it doesn't work in quite the same way. But it is a life-saving device. Now, it's called the breeches buoy. Now, breeches is an old-fashioned word for trousers. So that's what these pants are all about here. The breeches buoy. And sometimes it's called the Manby mortar, named after the man who invented it, Captain George Manby. Now, he lived in Galston, and he knew at the time when he was alive there were a lot of shipwrecks all the time, very often, and usually very close to the shore. If you're in Galston and you walk along the prom, there is a shipwreck that you can sometimes see if the tide is right down there, quite close to the shore. And he didn't like seeing all these shipwrecks. People were dying, even though they were really close to the shore. So he invented this life-saving device. Now, it doesn't float on the water. What happens is this. He had something a bit like a cannon that would shoot a line from the beach to the ship that was in trouble, so that there was then a line attached to the ship that came to the shore. And then the people that needed rescuing off the shipwreck would climb into the breeches buoy like this, or if you're a real size human, like this one, you climb in to those big pants, and then you have a really fast ride. This is attached to the line that goes to the shore, and you whiz down the line from your ship to the safety of the beach. A bit like this. That's just my washing line, and it looks quite fun, doesn't it? But imagine that you are in those big pants and your ship has crashed into the rocks. It's sinking fast. The sea is stormy around you. The wind is blowing. The rain is lashing you, and you've got to get into those giant pants and whiz down the line to the safety of the beach. I think you'd be very pleased when you landed on the shore, wouldn't you? Well, there you have it. The breeches buoy, or Manby mortar, a life-saving device to save people from shipwrecks. Pretty cool, huh? Well, let's put him here, because I think that there might be something we could make. And I had a go at a couple of things, actually. The first thing we did was we tried a painting, and I made a painting to try and make it look like the stormy sea. Well, a bit like the sea behind me. That looks quite stormy, doesn't it? Well, look. Here we have the stormy sea. Now, I didn't paint this on paper. What I used was kitchen paper, you know, kitchen roll that you might use in your kitchen. And I used that because it's really good at soaking up the paint and making it spread out. So what I used was paint that's been watered down a lot, very watery paint. And what we did was we just blobbed it on in different places and then watched it spread out. And we used blues and greens to make it look like a stormy sea. Look at that. And it's really fun watching this paint spread out as well. So you could have a go at that. But the other thing that we made was a paper boat. Now, you can find tutorials online all over the place to make these. So just Google how to make a paper boat and it will give you the instructions. They're very easy to make and quite fun because they will actually float. Now, we did go and find some water in the garden and have a go at floating these. Let's have a look and see if they did actually float. Ready? Well, there you are. They did float. Not very much water, but it was enough for them to float. You could try floating yours anywhere, in the bath maybe, or the sink. Have a go and see if you can make yourself a paper boat. Well, I think that's about all that we have time for today. Well, I hope you've had lots of fun finding out all about the Breeches boy today. It was brilliant to see you all, but I think we better just say goodbye to King Kipper, hadn't we? Are you ready? Goodbye everyone, it was good to see you here. Sit up, give me a wave, and then a great big cheer. Yay! Oh, well done everybody. Fabulous to see you all. I'm going to put King Kipper back in his basket, ready for next time. And hopefully we'll see all of you again then too. Bye-bye. If you'd like to send us a picture of something that you've made, then we'd love to see it. Please send it either to our social media pages or my email address.